Hello, my name is Jen Lee, and I own Jen Lee Law, a law firm in San Francisco, San Ramon, and Tracy, California. And I have a subject I'm very passionate about because it's predatory. Debt settlement companies and what they do to their clients really makes me mad, and I really want people to understand what they're getting into with debt settlement. So I recently had an older lady come in. She's 73 years old, and she signed up with a debt settlement company over a year ago. And the reason why she signed up with them was because they told her she couldn't file bankruptcy. So first of all, they gave her incorrect advice. Second of all, she's only receiving Social Security. And Social Security is exempt from creditors. Even if they sue you while you're in Social Security, they can't collect from your Social Security earnings. So it didn't matter how many people sued her. They would never be able to collect from her. So instead, she signed up with this debt settlement company. And they were supposed to take $297 a month out of her Social Security, which was $1,200 a month. And when you live in California, $1,200 a month does not go very far. And instead, they took out $600 a month, every month from her account. And she didn't know any better to go ask them why they were taking double out. So she signed the contract. The salesperson on the phone sounded great. They said they were going to take care of all of her problems, that they were going to, talk to her creditors, make special arrangements with them. The next thing you know, she's getting sued. The reason for that is when you sign up with a debt settlement company, the creditors all know that the only way they're going to get paid is if they're the first one to sue you. Because a debt settlement company takes the money, puts it into an escrow account, and then whoever screams first, whether it's Capital One or Chase or any of the big banks or whoever is going to sue you on it, they know that the only way they're going to get paid is to sue you. Because then the debt settlement company reaches out to them and says, okay, how much will you settle this for? Gets it settled. But in the meantime, you've got 3 or 4 more lawsuits coming on your heels. So they don't tell you that. They didn't tell her that when she went in to sign up for this debt settlement agreement. She was all about the nice gentleman on the phone who told her that they would take care of everything. My problem with debt settlement companies is they're not required to tell you what your rights are. They're not required to tell you what your options are. They often give poor legal advice, and they're not law firms. So my firm actually does some debt settlement work, but we don't do the big pools into creditors and that kinds of things because there are better ways to do that with clients. Also, many clients, including this elderly lady who is looking for help, actually would have been much better off with a bankruptcy, but they told her she couldn't file bankruptcy for some reason, and we don't know why. So my concern with debt settlement companies is make sure you know your rights. Make sure you know all of your options, not just what the person on the phone is telling you, because they do not have to tell you all of your rights and options. There's no law that says they have to. So before you sign up with a debt settlement company, find out your rights and options. Thank you. I'm Jen Lee with Jen Lee Law, and I appreciate you listening to this message.